2016 model. This one is Camry 2016 model. You can see the body. This one is 2016 model SLE. Camry 2016 model. You can see it. This one is Camry XLE. You can see. Let me show you the interior. This one is exterior, gray color. See the interior, milk interior. You can see the interior. I will show you the features of these cars. You can see the interior. The interior is sharp with thumb start. You can see it. See am. This one thumb start engine. Thumb start engine. See the keys, control functions on the steering. You can see it. You can see the speedometer. You can see the navigation. See this thing. This thing is the wireless charger. I will on it now. Let me show you a sample with this phone. You can see a sample now. Just immediately I put on, you will charge this phone. You will see it. You can see it. See the automatic transmission. This one is thumb start. SLE. And see the phone. The phone is already charging. You can see it. You can see the inside. You can see the inside of this car. You can see the inside. This one is the interior. See the moon roof. I will control the moon roof. See the moon roof. As you can see, when I close it. This one is the moon roof. So I will show you the engine now. You can see the B system. See am. You can see it in the work. You can see it. See the engine. The engine, this is engine. You can see the engine, Toyota Camry 2016 model. You can see it, 2016 model Camry. This one is Camry. So have a nice day for this car. For the price, just DM me on my WhatsApp or you DM me on my platform. I'll give you the price. Thank you for joining me today.